Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Cristiano right here. Today, I have a very important message to pass to you guys. Um, so this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about something very important that literally most of us, need in life: more money, right? So, on this tutorial, I have a website that I would like to introduce to you guys. Um, a very, very important website, right? So if you are somebody like me who would like to make more money, in life and especially online, so I have this website right here that you can leave your survey, right? You can leave your survey on watching videos, and those videos are literally like 1 minute, sometimes 45 seconds, right? So what's happened is you watch a video, right? After watching a video, and then there is a series of questions in each video. There is kind of like 11 questions, and you need to answer all those 11 questions. And by answering all those questions, gonna take you like, I don't know, less than a minute, right? After finishing all the 11 questions, they're gonna give you 1.5 euro per survey. And you receive 6 video per day, so which means that you make 9 euro per day. So without doing nothing, right? So it's uh it's worth watching these videos and leaving your survey if you really need to make some money online. Okay, so as you can see over here, we are on my dashboard. This is my dashboard. I started this thing 2 days ago, and now I have 15 bucks, right? 15 euro for doing nothing but watching these videos, right? So what's happened here is big companies like AT&T, Coca-Cola, um, uh, Uber, you name it, right? So they go to this website, these people, they give them the advertising video, and people like you and I, we go to this website to leave our survey, our point of view of what we think about those videos, right? So I have an example in here. We can just watch it together. So first of all, this website, it is in Romanian language. If you don't speak Romanian, then you can just install a Google uh, Translate. So it is a Google Chrome extension, right? It's a Google Chrome extension. You install it, and then what you do is you come here. You say translate this page, right? It will bring it in English if you speak English, and if you speak French, you can put it in French. If you speak Portuguese, it is the same thing, same process. So we're gonna play this video. Start our survey. Okay, this is the advertisement. Doesn't have nothing to do with what we've been doing. Here we go. So let's start process. Translate this page. Start our survey.
It carves into our earth effortlessly, sculpting the land for eons, still polishing every grain of sand. Charting our direction, giving our lives purpose. It calms us. It excites us, shaping our daily lives. From where we go to where we gather. Water designs our life. Who designs for water?
So as you can see, we just watched a 1 minute and 1 second video, right, from this company, Mon. So after that, let's go translate that page again. Translate. So you can see over here in the bottom it says questions, right? So we're gonna click it, question, then we're gonna start our survey. So 12 seconds to respond to these questions. So I come here, I translate it again. All right. So it's asked, did you enjoy this ad? So that one was an advertisement. They're asking if I enjoyed the ad. I say absolutely. So yeah, you just click there, respond. The second question pop up automatically. You translate it again. It says, when did you understand that? When did you understand what this video is proposing? I would say approximately midway through the video because I didn't understand in the beginning, right? So just try to be honest. The third question gonna be, let's see. It says, how interesting was this video? In my point of view, I say interesting. It was interesting. 8 point. So I give them 8 point. And the fourth question, they say evaluate the subject of the clip with a 10-degree grade. I would say 9 point, right? How original was this clip? I would say 10. I would say 10 point. The other question will be, was this video similar to other video clips? For me, this video was kind of unique because I ever see this kind of advertisement before. So I'd say no, this video was not unique, and it is similar to other advertising clips. It just like publicity. No, this video was not unique. It wasn't what I needed to answer about. Anyway. Has there been any interest in the product, service promoted in this video? I'll say I was very interested in this product because they are talking about water, which is life, absolutely. So yeah, I'm very interested in the product. It doesn't matter what you're gonna answer, right? All you need to do just give your point of view, right? So the other question is, have you changed your product, service, attitude after watching the video? I say attitude has not changed. Product, service proposed in this clip could be helpful for you and your friends. Absolutely. It is useful for me and my friends. And the tenth question gonna be or is, do you like humor from commercial? Evaluate how useful it is to use humor in advertising. I would say 5 point because humor keeps people to watch the advertisement. If it is kind of fun, I give you my time to watch the advertisement. So yeah. And the last question is, how do you think, which is the optional duration of an ad? I would say an ad, in my point of view, has to be at least 1 minute, not more than that, right? So after this last question, just watch over here. How much do I have? Over here, I have 15.02. When I click, this is the last questions, right? When I click, just watch where I have 15 gonna change, right? Boom. This is the last questions. Then, as you can see live, it went to 16.52, right? Pure money, guys. I mean, if you want to make money, if you have a lot of money and you don't need this, that's okay. But for those people, right? For those people who need this money, so if I can try to make some calculation over here, as you can see, you have 6 video per day, and you have 1.5 euro per video. So 1.5 times 6, that's 9 euro per day. And you receive video every day. So like, let's say for 30 days, you have, for 30 days, you have how many videos? So if you have 6 video per day, times 30 days, you have 180 videos, right? So 180 times 1.5, that 270 euro per month, right? That 270 euro per month. So that's something to think about, right? So if you are interested, guy, if you are interested in making money online, and if you are interested to making like 270 euro per month, I'll leave the link below in the description of this video, right? Just click the link. When you click the link, it's gonna take you to this page, and you need to register, right? When after registering, don't worry if you don't understand the language. That just install the Chrome extension, Google Translate. This one that you can see over here. When you press it, it says translate this page so that you can understand. And then if it is not in your language, just come in extension option, right? You're gonna choose your language over here. So it's pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And that 270 per month. But if you invite people, they're gonna give you your link, like kind of an affiliate link. They're gonna give you the affiliate link. If you invite people to your affiliate link, right? They're gonna pay you more. They pay you more than that. So just think about it, guys. But first of all, producer, right? If you need more info on this program, just contact me, and I will tell you more about it. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. I will end this video, and then if you have any question, feel free to contact me through my Facebook or YouTube on the description. Just leave me a message, and then I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.